What's going on, y'all? Today's video gonna be a quick video. Gonna be a how-to video. Tech spec grip tanks. Should be going right here and here. See, I need to take that off. It's gonna be a how-to video, but honestly, I'm gonna be figuring it out. I'm pretty good with figuring stuff out though, so let's get started on it. You feel me? Okay. So I'm definitely gonna need to remove this one because I think this one sits up here. So it's definitely gonna be in the way of that. And honestly, dude, man, like that's gonna be a pain to get off. That is gonna be a pain to get off. Let me grab this other one. This has to be it. It just oh no, this is right here. I'm thinking it's supposed to contour to this part up top and sit up there, but it's really not. It can sit, yeah, it sit right here at the groove, which makes sense. Riding aggressively, they were kind enough to send a wipe. I'm not trying to be extensive with this, like I told you. I don't, it's not that deep for me. Dirt, debris on the other side. I'm gonna use it, and I'm not even sure. This alcohol definitely drying it out. It is what it is. I hope it doesn't. I honestly didn't research what this would do to the paint, so hopefully it does nothing to the paint. I love my baby, but it's just a bite, man. First we're gonna do this one, man. All right, so where am I gonna want it? Like right here, I think, or maybe like right here. I think right here is ideal. I don't really be on my tank like that, you know what I'm saying? This R3 don't go that fast, so I'm just gonna put it right there. Okay, so I'll take off this part. We go fold it. It's a little hair in there or something like that. You see, got a little adhesive right there. So we go work this. We go work this like that. And since this is the smaller piece, I'm just gonna work the whole thing up on there. Now, they did recommend the tank to be hot, like 70 something, 80 something degrees, they said, for the tank. I didn't do that. It's cold, and that would require me to have written for a little bit, and I didn't feel like doing that today. So hopefully this sticks. Hopefully this adhesive sticks how it's supposed to stick. So, but they do recommend the tank to be hot or warm, whatever, and I'll be OCD sometimes, so I just really want to make sure. I pay money for this too, right? So I just want to make sure that this ain't going nowhere. It's not gonna lift up anything, and I'm assuming whatever this is, it's gonna take some time for it to, what they call it, really stick or something like that, whatever. I don't know what they use. Okay, so that's the middle piece right there. Next, we're gonna do this side, and so I need to be really attentive here. You gotta see where it's gonna go. See, that's where it's supposed to go right there. It sits at the base of this groove right here. Sits right there at the base. So we need to keep mind of that. Go do the same thing, but start slow with it, just to make sure it is where I want it to be. Bam, right there. Yep, and we go slowly work that up in there. And be honest, I'm just gonna rip the whole thing off. Bam. These things feel pretty good quality. Obviously, we're gonna do a test ride. I might even do a review on them. My bad if I wasn't getting that in view. Obviously, we're gonna do a test ride and we're gonna do a review on them. But this is just installing these bad boys, and obviously it feels like good material. It feels like it'll grip pretty good. And it matches, it goes along with the bike pretty good too so far. So that's just first impression. Wait, I might probably have to get down a little bit. Yeah, see, yeah, I'm about to get down a little bit for this side, but sitting at the base of the groove right there, trying to make sure y'all can see I'm really leaning angles, but make sure that's at the same thing. We'll do the same process here. You don't want to keep that's not as even as I wanted, but it's good. You don't want to keep taking off adhesives and putting them back on like this, because obviously it's not gonna be effective. It's not gonna have the same effectiveness. Once again, I'll really use my palm to get up in there. The bike might go move a little bit. I'm pressing on that thing. All right, down the edges. And voila. So like I said, that's what it looks like. And more than likely, I'm gonna do a review on these. I'm gonna ride around with them, then I'm gonna end up doing a review on them. Hope this helped y'all out a little bit. Safe riding. I'll see y'all soon.